Happy morning, ma'am.
Morning, sir. Happy morning.
Happy morning, sir. Thank you for joining today's 6 a.m. Club Happiness Dose. Hope you are all happy. So, are you all really happy? Are acting as happy?
Yes, sir.
Are
Yes,
feeling
sir.
as
Yes,
happy?
sir.
Are looking for happiness? The reason why I asked this question is more than 98% of the people in the world, they just lie that they are happy, stating that they don't want to share any negative things. But the fact is, no one is happy actually. They're just feeling as happy. And for the sake of others, they are acting as happy. There is a beautiful research conducted across the globe. In fact, I submitted my research paper a couple of years back, and in happiness. And even the global happiness index states that India plays 139th position out of 149 countries. All the neighborhood countries, being it Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, and including Pakistan, they are happier than us. So, think about our situation. Realize what is the essential importance of being a happy now. That is the reason why I started this happiness dose to help everyone to learn and practice simple and powerful techniques where they can improve their happiness to lead their life towards success, towards their goal. To be happy individual, excuse me, to create happy families, to create happy neighborhood, to create happy community, which will lead us to create this world as a happily living place. Are you all with me in this happiness moment? Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect, perfect.
Yes, sir.
Before we getting into our powerful techniques, let me give you some brief background about the happiness chemicals. The reason why I name it as happiness dose. The dose is an acronym for all the 4 happiness chemicals, and as we know, the dose is a measurement. So whatever we require some dose. So that is how we come out with this dose, and D stands for dopamine, which is a reward chemical. Whenever you complete a task, being it a small or a bigger, a task is a different from activity. Activity is a bigger one. So for an example, cooking is an activity, then cleaning the vessels, picking the vegetables, cutting them, and then switching on the gas stove and checking the gas, everything is a task. So whenever you chunk the activities into a small task, you can easily finish it off and you can finish any activity with an ease and enjoy the task, completing the task. Do a self-care activities. People feel that doing a self-care activities are selfishness. Please avoid that. We need to spend minimum 6 hours for our sleep and 6 hours for ourselves. Being it eating, cooking, dance, exercise, whatever it might be. 6 hours should be for sleep and 6 hours should be for self-care activities. Totally 12 hours for yourself and 12 hours for others. Being it for your job or being it for society or being it for family. More happy. And eating food. Eating food, when I say eating food, consume the food which you like it. While consuming the food, Enjoy each and every sip. Enjoy that beautiful look. Enjoy that smell. Enjoy that heat, touch. Enjoy each and everything by activating all your five sensor organisms. When you do it, you'll enjoy the food. And finally, celebrate little wins. I told you to finish the task, you'll get a dopamine. When you finish it, celebrate it, appreciate it. Wow, super. Learn the art of positive words. I told you people to finish the positive words alphabet exercise, and still it's pending. So let us see who will finish first and who will share it with others. Now we'll go to the second letter O, oxytocin, which is a love hormone. So if you want to get love, if you are expecting love, you should learn how to give an unconditional love. Those who give the love, those who share and care others, they will get an unconditional love from everyone. If you want to improve that love hormone, you should have a pets in your home, being it a dog, cat, fishes, birds, whatever it might be. Play with them. Play with a baby or kids in your home or nearby. Hold the hands of someone. Hug your family members or your lovable persons. Give a compliment. Hey, you did a great job. Fantastic. That's awesome. Give a compliment. That will improve your love hormone, which is nothing but an oxytocin. Coming to the third letter, serotonin, a mood stabilizer. There is a myth that female have a lot of mood swings, but actually the thing is that even a male has much more mood swings. They just showcase. That's it. To overcome these mood swings, you can do a meditation, running, walking, swimming, and cycling. When I say walking, the best therapeutic approach is to walk on the beach in a barefoot. The second one is walking in a park with a barefoot. The third thing is walking in the farming fields, the beautiful greenery fields with the barefoot. And the fourth better option is walking along with the roadside trees, enjoying the beautiful nature. Whenever you are walking, enjoy each and every bit of Mother Nature, the beautiful scenic, the fresh air. Enjoy everything. Then your moods will be shifted, especially when you are in anger. One of the beautiful therapeutic approach to come over from the anger. And finally, the fourth letter is endorphin, the painkiller. The world's most consuming drug is painkiller. Many people take they take it like as such granted. Okay, so if you practice these simple and powerful techniques, you know doesn't require anything. So the first best technique is laughter therapy. We are going to have it at the end of the day. I'm sure everyone is going to enjoy that exercise, and consuming the essential oils such as a groundnut oil, and watching a comedy show, being it a Tom and Jerry, Charlie Chaplin, Siri Siri, and Aditya channel, every comedy channels, and consuming a dark chocolate, considering the fact of getting a original chocolate, and feel every bit of it. Finally, you can do some exercises which will make you so happy. Now, are you all ready for the exercise?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Leave your devices, keep it down. Don't have anything in your hand. Leave everything. Close your eyes. Sit in a comfortable position. Sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Now, think of all the activities happened yesterday. Whatever you did it yesterday. All the activities. starting from morning till the evening. Now, slowly think of one best moment of yesterday which made you so happy. You were so happy because of that best moment. Now, recollect that happy and beautiful face during that moment, the best moment. How you were feeling. Visualize your face. Visualize the expressions. Visualize your smiley face, beautiful face, awesome face. And slowly take your right hand on the air. Take your right index finger. Draw that beautiful smiley face in the air. Draw it beautiful smiley face in the air. Look at it. Design it as you would like to, as you want. Design it as beautiful as you can. Visualize your beautiful smiley face and recollect that happy moment of the day. Now, slowly exhale. Start blinking your eyes and look at the screen with a beautiful smile on your face. Take that smile into your face and start drawing the same smiley face on the screen. Just click on the screen, you will find the pen or a pencil in the left bottom, and then you can draw a smiley on empty white canvas. If someone is drawing on your smiley, don't worry. You just leave that place and draw in another place. Do it. Yes, yes, yes. I see. Chandrasekharan sir, Lakshmi Narayanan sir, Dhanalakshmi ma'am, Nandakumar sir drawing. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's fantastic. Komati ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Waiting for you. You are smiling. நடுல கீழே கேப் இருக்கு பாருங்க, அங்க போடலாம் நீங்க. யா, குட் குட் குட், ஆசம் ஆசம். லக்ஷ்மி நாராயணன் சார்.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
யா, நீங்க வரையலாம்.
அனுப்புங்க.
சூப்பர் சூப்பர், ஆசம். Good, 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 good to see. That's fantastic. Once you are done, you can raise your hand or leave the screen. That's fantastic. Super. Wow. What a beautiful drawings. Super. Super, super. I see still Lakshmi Narayan sir is drawing. Good, good, good. Now, yes, 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 super. Leave the screen. Now you can leave the screen. Keep your device down. Don't keep it in your hand. Sit in a comfortable position. Sit in a comfortable position. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Now, think of one beautiful, happy task of the day which you want to accomplish today. I want to do this task to be happy. Think of one such task. Whatever the task you want to do it now. to be happy. Think of that one task which will make you so happy for today. Think of it and feel how happy you would be. Feel that. Feel that essence, how happy it would be if you finish the task. Now, slowly exhale and inhale. Now think of that happy moment of the day and how it would be and design that happy moment. Now take your right hand, right index finger and slowly draw your happy moment of the day in the air. Draw it in the air with the beautiful colors, with the beautiful designs. Draw it in the air. Not on the screen, Lakshmi Narayanan sir. Close your eyes. Draw it on the air. Drawing in the air is one of the beautiful technique. Draw it. Design it as much as you can. Design that beautiful happy moment. That's your happy moment of the day for today. Now slowly release your hands. Look at that happy moment. Enjoy that happy moment. Feel the essence of love. Feel it. Now slowly exhale and open your eyes. Start blinking your eyes and open it with a beautiful smile on your face. You can see a white canvas with your name. Just zoom the screen and take your box alone and start drawing the same happy moment, whatever you drawn on the air. Draw it. Draw it now. Take a pen, take a colors, whatever the colors you would like to, and start drawing it. Superb, superb. That's fantastic. That's awesome. Wow. That's great. Chandrasekharan sir, you can start drawing. Lakshmi Narayanan sir,
Yes, sir.
yeah, we can start. Superb, superb, fantastic. That's awesome. Cool. Since the childhood, we've been used to be happy whenever we see a green color tick mark. So I'm giving you a green color tick mark to all your beautiful, lovable, happy moments of the day. You can see a green color tick mark on the top of your name. And I'm sharing my unconditional love to all your beautiful, happy and lovely moments. I wish all your happy moments comes true. You can see a love in front of your name. And I'm going to give you a golden star. Yes, you are the star performer of the day. With your beautiful artistic skills. You are an awesome artist. You are an awesome person. You are the best and you are the greatest person. You can see a golden star next to your name. Yes, you are the star. Star of the day. This is an accomplishment for your day. How beautiful it is when you start a day with such beautiful, colorful, happy moments. Drawing and converting a white screen into a colorful canvas with a beautiful, lovely, happy moments. That's awesome. That's great. I'm feeling so happy to look at all your happy moments of the day. I wish all your happy moments comes true and make you so happy to lead this day more successful. That's awesome. That's fantastic. Cool. Once you are done, you can leave the screen or raise your hand up so that we can start with our next activity. Beautiful, that's beautiful. Like see Nanda Kumar sir, Lakshmi Narayanan sir, Komati ma'am is trying. Superb, superb, awesome. Fantastic. Lovely drawings. So once you people are done, we are going to do with the next activity where you would be observing the next person drawings. Like Chandrasekharan sir will observe Nandakumar sir's drawing, Nandakumar sir will observe Lakshmi Narayanan sir drawing, Lakshmi Narayanan sir will observe Gomati ma'am's drawing, Gomati ma'am will observe Dhanalakshmi ma'am's drawing, Dhanalakshmi ma'am will observe Chandrasekharan sir drawing. So first we'll observe the task one. Task two, you will ask yourself why they have drawn this, what made them to draw it. Okay, you will ask it, your thought, you are awakening your thought. Then you will find, oh, this is the reason why they have drawn this beautiful small moment of the day. Then you will think, okay, so this is what they are doing it. And slowly, what you can do, you can feel that happy moment of the day. You can feel it. So once you feel it, you will share them. The one positive, actionable thing for the day to be happy. Okay, so suggest them. You can do this task to be happy. Okay, are you all ready for this exercise? Shall we? Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Yes, yes. Chandrasekharan sir. Make it simple and powerful and clear. Only one sentence. Chandrasekharan sir, your suggestible, positive, actionable item for Nandakumar sir. Chandrasekhar sir, are you there? Chandrasekhar sir. He's facing some issues, it seems. Nandakumar sir,
Yes, sir.
you are what positive suggestible action item for Lakshmi Narayanan sir?
Chandrasekhar.
Lakshmi Narayanan sir, have
Good
a
morning.
enjoyable moment by feeding food to the animals.
Yes.
Thank you,
Wow,
sir.
that's fantastic, awesome. Lakshmi Narayanan sir,
Yes, sir.
your one suggestible action item, positive action item for Gomati ma'am.
காண்டை கதிரவன் குளிக்கும்போது நல்லா தினது நல்லா அருமையா இருக்கு.
Superb, superb.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
fantastic. Gomati ma'am,
Yes, sir.
your one positive suggestible action item for Dhanlakshmi ma'am.
தனலட்சுமி மேம் குட் மார்னிங். பறவைகளுக்கும் பெட் அனிமல்ஸ் ஆடு மாடுகளுக்கு இன்னைக்கு தீவனம் கொடுங்க.
Wow, that's awesome. Dhanlakshmi ma'am. Dhanlakshmi ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Your positive
Hello?
suggestible, yeah, Dhanlakshmi ma'am. Your positive
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
suggestible action item for Nandakumar sir, second drawing.
ஓகே சார். நந்தகுமார் சார், நீங்க அழகான செடி வளர்த்துக்கிறீங்க, நல்லா தண்ணி ஊற்றி வளர்த்துங்க.
Superb, superb. That's fantastic.
Thank you so much, Dhanlakshmi madam.
Thank you. That's fantastic. How beautiful it is to start the day with the positivity. Loads of positivity. Nallada solunga, nallada nadakonu vangala. So this is what we are doing. So we are done with the smiley challenge, the happy moments, done with the superb drawing. And now let's get into some action. Okay? We are going to do some exercise. We'll start with self-appraisal. Appreciation. பாராட்டுன்றது ரொம்ப 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 முக்கியமானது. யாராவது ஏதாவது நல்லது செஞ்சாங்கன்னா பாராட்டுறது வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியம். So let us start appreciating everyone and everything for each and every small activity they did it. And before you start appreciating others, you should learn how to appreciate ourselves. பாராட்டுறது வந்து மற்றவங்களுக்கு பாராட்டுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்மள நம்ம எப்படி பாராட்டணும்ன்றது கத்துக்கணும். It's a bedtime activity. Whenever you wake up every day, you praise yourself. Yes, you are going to do a great things. You are going to become a best person. And you did a great thing. You are the best person. So let's do a self-appraisal. Take your left hand, right shoulder, right hand. Come on, say shabash, 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 shabash. Once again, shabash, 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 shabash. Once more, shabash, 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 shabash. Super. That's awesome. That's fantastic. Now, let's get into a next exercise. Thank yourself. Once you're done with the self-appraisal, let us thank yourself. Thank for all the activities you are doing, and thank everyone and everything with an unconditional love from the bottom of the heart. Gratitude should be the part of our attitude. Immediately after the self-appraisal, you do this exercise. And when you do this, do it with an unconditional love. So show your unconditional love. Collect unconditional love from the entire world. Collect it, cross and bring it closer. Tight, wholly. Collect entire love. Twist and down, bring it closer to your heart and take the unconditional love inside your heart. Below your chin, take a long and deep breath, inhale. Let us think of everyone and everything who made us happy yesterday. Let us thank them from the bottom of the heart. On the count of 1 to 4 and 4 to 1, inhale and exhale, abdomen breathing. On count, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Next, change. Now slowly release your hands. Start blinking your eyes and look at the screen with a beautiful smile on your face. And let's get into our next exercise, which is a self-hug. We need to learn how to love ourselves. Self-love and self-compassion is very, very important. We should love unconditionally. So let us do this beautiful exercise, how you can love yourself. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale, wide open your hands, rise your head up, and slowly exhale and hug yourself tightly with the warm hug. Feel the unconditional love in each and every body cell. Move your body as such you are hugging yourself. Now slowly inhale and release your hands. Wide open your hands. Raise your head up and slowly exhale and hug yourself. This time make sure your other hand is on the top. Hug tightly with an unconditional love. Feel that unconditional love, care and share in each and every cell of your body. Move your body accordingly. Now slowly release your hands. Start blinking your eyes and look at the screen. The beautiful smile on your face. You can do this exercise till you get released and relaxed. Feel love on yourself. Now the next task is to find happy task of the day. Yes, being it eating, sleeping, watching TV, listening to music, cooking, drawing, dance, walking, whatever it might be. Pick one task which will make you so happy and do it immediately after this session. To feel the happiness, feel the joy of happiness. Now we are going with a beautiful and powerful exercise to be happy. Are you all ready, my dear kids? Now we are getting into a nursery class. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
ready?
Our love master, lovely smiling master is here. He's a laughing master. But if you don't laugh it like him, he will come out of the screen, hug you and kiss you like anything so that you'll get lot of wounds. And don't worry, he will have a plaster to mark you. Okay. So
Thank you.
while doing this exercise, make sure there is a beautiful smile on your face, beautiful expressions, head nods, body movements, everything. So make sure you are freely doing this exercise, enjoying each and every letter, each and every word, so that you'll feel so happy and release all your worries. Shall we start?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, fantastic. Let us start with the alphabet first. Let us learn the alphabet. Ready, start. Ha ha. I oh oh. Eh. Okay, that's fantastic, my dear lovely kids. Let us start our laughing exercise, laughing song. Okay, we learned laughing alphabet. Now we are going to do laughing song. Okay, ready, start?
Yes.
You should sing like me, okay, with the beautiful expressions. Ready, let's start. Ha 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 ha. He 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 he. Oh ho 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 ho. Hey 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 hey. Ha hi ha hi ha hi hi. Oh ho 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 ho. How ha how ha how. Hum ha 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 hum hum. Ha hum ha 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 hum hum. Ha hum ha 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 hum ha ha ha. Hum ha 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 ha. Now laugh like a villain. Ha 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 ha. This is the difference between a smile and laugh. Smile ends with the lips rising your cheeks, but laugh is like wide opening your mouth and laughing like a villain. Ha 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 ha. So, continuing it, let us do a laughter therapy. Raise your hands up and laugh like anything to release all your worries. Ha 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 ha. Superb, superb, superb. That's fantastic. That's fantastic. So, great. See how my lovely smiley laughing master increased its size after looking at all your smiles. Can you find it? How happy he is smiling now. Right? We are getting into the last but not the least, the beautiful task, the kindness challenge, random acts of kindness challenge. According to the research, those who give back to the society, those who help others, they would be more happy in the world. That is the reason why. Whenever you feel what is the giving back or helping others, people always think that giving a money. Beyond to the giving money, there are many other ways to give back to the society. Being it give your skill, your time, thing. So these are the 12 beautiful acts, a small kindness acts, which you can pick one and you can do it to be happy and bring the happiness. So are you all ready to pick it and do it? You can do one or you can do all. You can share it with others also. I feel so happy when I see Nandakumar sir and Gokul has did the Huggetry activity and share it in our group, and that makes us so happy. So that is actually an action. So please go ahead and do it and share it if you'd like. And finally, thank you all for smiling. Thank you for showing your love and care towards this session and love and care towards you. So if you are happy, we are all happy. So do you have smiles for others? Do you have smiles for me? Do you? That's fantastic. We're done with the session. Thank you so much for everything. And if you have any feedback, doubts, or suggestions, so please share us. We have 1 more minute. Now it's open forum. Yes. Anything you'd like to share? Anything you'd like to share? Thank you. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Make a great and
Thank you.
Yeah.